So we're starting off on blow dried hair, and we're only using 2 products today, the mousse and the Flexi Rod curls. Now I'm at my last 2 sections, and yeah, I'm about to just show y'all how I do it. I didn't want to record me doing my whole head. I just wanted to record at least like maybe 5 or 6. So yeah. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I already took one of them out just so I could see what it'll look like, and so far it looks like it'll be real cute and pretty. So I'm gonna just start taking them out. camera keep cutting off on me, but this is one side so far. I'm not done with this side yet. I still have this section, but I noticed this side is more defined than the other side, because this side I use 2 mousses and this side I just use 1. But when I'm done actually making it big, not making it big, but you know, separating the curls, I'm gonna go with the pick and make it bigger, so you know it's cuter, because right now I'm giving Shirley Temple. So this is the final, well not the final, but this is the result of me separating my curls. Like I said, one side is like more defined than the other, which is fine. And I think the parts that are like a little like poofy at the end, I may go with my wand curl and just wand curl it at the ends. But I'm about to pick out my hair. I'm sorry, my camera keep cutting off, so I don't know if the last scene I wasn't able to see it. But I'm about to go with the pick and make my hair bigger. I like it at this volume. It could be a little bit bigger, but I don't want it to like not get old, but like get like, I don't want it to drop so quick. So I'm gonna leave it right here, but this is the final results, guys. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.